Hi, so I just want to share with you some products that I use for my carnivore and lifestyle and for low carb for those in my family that choose to eat that way. So right here I have the first one, which I love this salt. Just research it, the Redmond real salt, great for many reasons. I won't get into all of that, but I used to purchase the smaller containers at my local grocery store, and I found that this was cheaper per ounce on Amazon. So I just purchased this 10-pound container, and then of course I have these smaller containers and I just refill them with this salt. So this is gonna last us for a while, and we're a family of 8, so this is just really just works out to be more economical. This next one, this baking powder, I found out about from actually Becky Niles, and this baking powder is gluten-free, aluminum-free, and cornstarch-free, which is just great. So I also use this. I buy this 2 at a time, and it works out again to just be cheaper. This is the pork panko, and it's just pretty much pork rinds that you use for breading. So for those that are trying to do like low carb, it's just, you know, if you don't want to use traditional flour, pork rinds, I'm telling you, just comes in so handy. So you use this breading the same way you would use traditional breading. And let me just say this, these 3 things right here, the pork rind, the baking powder, and the real salt, are some of the main ingredients for my carnivore pork rind bread. Now, when I initially made it, I used baking soda, but when I found out about this, I started using baking powder instead of the baking soda. So the only thing that's not here that's in the recipe for the pork rind is an egg, and that I don't buy from Amazon. So if you want to know more about that pork rind bread recipe, check the description box. Over here, the final thing, which I used to purchase this from Walmart, but this is the Palmini, and this I use for my family, like when I'm making them spaghetti or any type of noodle type dish. And this again is just, you know, hearts of palm. It's just a vegetable and great alternative for those that are practicing a low carb lifestyle and would just prefer to have noodles. So this I buy in bulk off of Amazon, and it worked out to be cheaper than my local grocery store. So just want to share those with you. So again, I don't know where you live, so your local grocery store may actually work out to be cheaper than Amazon, but it's always good to just do price checks. So just want to share that with you. All right, you be blessed.